cameras ready. This is the all-new Deepal So5 Reev. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, we can do this. Let's have a round of applause for the all-new Deepal in Sri Lanka. For the last 10 years, and it's my pleasure to welcome you here tonight to the next step in Deepal's EV, our Reev revolution. And as you just saw in that video behind me, they are an arm of the Changan group. Now, the Changan group has, of course, been at the forefront of technology in China for the last 100. Another individual who has been instrumental in bringing Changan and the Deepal brand here tonight. And it is my great pleasure, all the way from China, to welcome Mr. Tom, engineer from Changan. Please put your hands together.
Sri Lanka's partners and all our dear friends and customers. This is my great honor to join you tonight for the official launch of the Deepal So5 Reev and the Nevo brand announcement in Sri Lanka. First, heartfelt thanks to our trusted local partner, Preferred EV Automobile under the SENOK group. Together, we have already brought the So5 So7, L07, O7, and Lumi to Sri Lanka road. And your support has meant the world to us. Today, we take an exciting next step and proudly introduce the Deepal So5 Reev, an excellent all-around SUV for every driver and family. The star feature of this car is our Deepal Super Reev technology, engineered to eliminate the range anxiety once and for all. As our range extended electrical vehicle, it adopts a smart dual power design and supports multiple driving modes for the different road conditions. In pure electrical mode, the vehicle runs fully on the battery powers, deliver ultra-quiet driving and smooth acceleration. With about 200 kilometers of the pure electrical range, it easily covers both the daily commuting scenarios, making every safe trip economic and comfortable. When you planned the long-distance driver or the battery powers run slow, the range expanded will hit it automatically. The engines only work to generate the electricity instead of driving the wheel directly. So you can still enjoy the quiet, stable driving feels of an electrical car all the way. Switching between the models is fully elegant and seamless, with low ambient vibration or noise inside the cabin. Thanks to the advanced wave systems, we achieved a total combined range of over 1,200 kilometers. That means no more stress about charging stop on the weekend to getaways, family visits, or across the country drivers. You can go wherever life takes you without compromise. Even better, it's designed for the everyday driving experiences, where you equip the fast charging. The 30% to 80% charge take only 50 minutes, and safety is still built in too, with our AI-powered garden belt battery, designed to keep you protected always. Beyond the game change range and the flexible power models, the So5 Reev also feature a sleek, aerodynamic design and a spacious, smart cabin to elevate your driver experience. This launch is just the beginning of our long-term commitment to Sri Lanka. We will continue expanding our lineup through Premier EV with the upcoming models, including the Nevo Q05, to bring the most smart, efficient, and stylish new energy vehicle to meet your needs. We also launched a remarkable local assembled product with HVV and PHEV, equipped with China's cutting-edge power system in the future. Thank you again to the Premier EV and SENOK and all of you for being here. We invite you to experience the So5 Reev firsthand to feel its power, comfort, and the freedom of the 1,200 kilometer plus range. I can't wait to see this car in the Sri Lanka road, accomplish you on the every journey. Thank you all, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tom, for that, and some exciting news there. The unveiling that SKD projects are there.
Comfort, alerts, and even driving. The Deepal mobile app delivers unparalleled access to your vehicle. It's more than an app. It's the peace of mind you deserve. 8 months ago, we began a journey to redefine Sri Lanka's automobile industry. With immense pride in SENOK's remarkable 40 years of experience in the automobile sector, Prime EV brought the world's best technology to your doorstep. We've introduced experiences never seen before in this country, and we are incredibly proud of what we've achieved together in such a short time. We will maintain the same after-sales service and care for our customers. Thank you for being part of the future.
Okay, so there's nothing like a physical presentation of that though. So this is the app, this is one of the key features that Changan and Deepal have introduced to the market. But Kaushal, could you take us through some of the features that in real time, and can you show us an example of what you'd use this on a day-to-day basis for?
Sure, Sam. Just demonstrated. We launched this application in 2025 for the first time in Sri Lanka. And we are proud to say that we have the same application for the first time ever in a real vehicle in Sri Lanka as well. So we can lock and unlock the vehicle, you can open windows as I just showed. But the best thing is, this is connected via a mobile network. So from anywhere in the world, you can see your status, the vehicle status, whether it's in use, whether your doors are open, what is your charging limit, what is your range, and all that can be checked by just one click. So just to show you, this vehicle is already connected to there. You can open the tail loop, you can close the tail loop, then you can check the battery limit, and also you can find the vehicle from a distance from Find My Vehicle option as well. So these are the key features in the application, Sam. So we are proud to present it once again with the Reev model as well.
That's really interesting, and that's particularly useful, especially if you want to get that next step of information on your smart device. That's quite impressive as well. And Changan and Deepal being one of the first to introduce it into the local Sri Lankan market. Now, there's so many more features. If we went through them all, we'd keep you here all night. So we'd like to encourage you all to come and have a look at the car a little bit later on. But for the time being, if you have any burning questions about the new Deepal So5 Reev, then we would like to open the floor open to you, and Kaushan will do his best to answer them as best as he can.
Currently under a fuel rationing scheme, 25 liters per week for a car. So let's say I put 25 liters into the So5 Reev on Monday, and I need to go out of Colombo on Saturday. I can only fill again on Sunday. Can I tell the vehicle not to activate the petrol engine at all for my weekly commute and instead use the electric range, say if it's like 100 kilometers I need? Can I tell the vehicle to do that, and then when I need to go out of Colombo, only then tell it to activate the petrol engine on Saturday or Friday? Is that possible?
Yes, the technology behind this as well. So yes, you can select between EV mode. So අපිට පුළුවන් EV mode එකක් තියෙනවා select කරන්න. Then there's something called combine. So if you select the EV mode, then you are fully on electricity. So your battery will drive the vehicle without switching onto the petrol engine. Okay? Then of course you can set in the combine mode, you can set the charging limit as well. So let's say you have a full battery, and then you can say, okay, when it goes below 80%, please recharge it again, something like that. So for your commute, yes, you can use the vehicle without ever switching on the engine.
How smooth is the change? Because these are two systems and it will have to take over. What is the lag and how does it switch over?
Okay, there's no lag, or you don't even feel it. You can experience it later on. There's no, you will not even hear the engine starting on. That's because this runs on a highly efficient 1.5 liter naturally aspirated engine. There's no changeover like compared to a hybrid. What it does is it switches on and it just acts as a generator. So for the drivetrain, you don't feel a difference.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kaushan, for that very informative presentation.
Thank you, sir.